You might be itching to get out and about in this nice weather. You also might be thinking of a nice vacation or just a weekend getaway. KHQA's Chad Douglas may have something that's right up your alley in this week's Points of Interest report.
Lace up your shoes, put on your helmet, and get ready for a good time. You can see Quincy on a bike.
You can stop at restaurants, stop at great overlooks. We're right along the Great River Road.
You can rent the bikes by the hour, half day, or full day. You can choose between 2 regular bikes or 1 tandem or all 3.
The tandem takes a little getting used to. You have to work with your partner. So when you're, leaning and balancing and who's going to turn and brakes, but they're fun. It's really a different atmosphere to try that tandem.
Holly Kane with the Convention and Visitors Bureau says touring the city by bike gives you a whole new feel of the Gem City. You can see things up close and at your own pace.
We're hoping to link all of our trails in the coming years. I know with the Cedar Creek and with the Bob Mays trails, it's coming along.
So too is the bike program. It's a joint venture between Friends of the Trails and the Convention and Visitors Bureau. The bikes have been available for 5 years. The historic Quincy Business District and the Quincy Park District also have bikes you can ride.
We send most of our visitors right from the villa here to the bottom road where it's flat, and it is a shared roadway, but it is a great space to ride.
When you rent the bikes, you get all the safety gear you need, including a helmet and a bike lock. There are several bike racks throughout downtown Quincy where you can lock the bike up for a while. And if you're a little nervous about hopping back on a bike, don't be. These particular bikes are self-shifting, so all you have to do is know how to ride a bike. Chad Douglas, KHQA News, Quincy.
If you're interested in touring Quincy on 2 wheels, the Convention and Visitors Bureau gives you a small card with a list of points of interest you can check out around town.